In this paper from question 2a, using the factor theorem, show that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Hence factorize the polynomial completely. First of all, we have to show that x minus 2 is a factor of this x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. So let the given one f of x is equals to the which is given polynomial is x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. To prove x minus 2 is a factor, so just put x minus 2 is equal to 0, and from this x is equals to 2. When x value 2, if I substitute in this equation x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4, if you get the remainder 0, the answer is 0, then that is a factor, right? And just f of, therefore f of 2, in the place of x 2 we should substitute 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 4. This we can simplify. 2 power 3 is 8 plus 2 square is 4 minus 4 into 2 is 8 minus 4. So 12 minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So 0. So we got 0. So therefore remainder is equals to f of 2, that is equals to 0 we got. Then x minus 2 is a factor. So therefore we can conclude this. X minus 2 is a factor. Is a factor of that f of x. That polynomial x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Now we ought to factorize the polynomial completely. Here is highest power is 3. So we should get 3 factors. One of the factors is x minus 2 and another 2 factors you have to find out. For that we will go for the division method. Just I will show here. So that is x square plus x cube plus x square minus 4x plus minus 4. This one we should divide by one of the factors x minus 2. So this one will divide by x minus 2. So first term x and first term is x cube. So what you should multiply x square. Just check this. First term in this and first term in this. X into dash is x cube. That is x square. Take this x square and multiply this entire divisor. And x square into x cube minus 2x square. Subtract this, division method. You will get cancelled. X square plus 2x square is a 3x square. Now next term you can take down. Same rule you will apply. That is x into dash is 3x square. That is plus 3x. Right? Take this 3x and multiply. This again x minus 2. So 3x square minus 6x. Again change and subtract the sign. We are subtracting, so change the sign. Minus 4x plus 6x, 2x. Next term is minus 4. Take the next term down. Same rule you apply. X into dash is 2x. That is plus 2. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So if you change the sign, they will get 0. Remainder is 0 now. Therefore, we got the x square plus 3x plus 2 is the quotient. So therefore, we can do like this, just doing this side. Therefore f of x, whatever the polynomial is given, 2x x cube plus x square, x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4, is exactly equals to x minus 2 into, and another one is quotient, x square plus 3x plus 2. Then this is a quadratic equation. We will factorize this. Okay, if you by factorizing, this already x minus 2 is over, and x square plus 3x we can split into two parts, plus 2x plus x, because if you multiply 3 or 2 should come, if you add middle term should get plus 2 asterisk, and x minus 2, from first two terms x is a common, x plus 2 plus 1 is a common from the next two terms, x plus 2, and therefore x minus 2 in the bracket, the remaining is If x plus 2 is the common, another one is x plus 1, right? So these are the three factors now, x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. If you multiply, again you get the same question, which is given f of x. Okay, and it's factorized completely this. In this question, prove that cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 1. So here is the LHS. Take the left hand side. Cosec and sec, tan and cot will convert in terms of sin and cos with the formula. So the given is cosec theta minus sin theta and sec theta minus cos theta again into tan theta plus cot theta. Cosec, sec and tan and cot we'll write in terms of sin and cos. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin. So cosec is 1 by sin theta, right? Minus sin theta as it is. First step. And sec theta is 1 by cos minus cos theta. And your tan is a sin by cos. Sin by cos is tan. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Plus cot is cos theta by sin theta. Now we can simplify. 1 by sin minus sin. Minus sin is you can sin by 1 like cos by 1. Do LCM. So 1 minus sin square theta by sin into 1 is sin theta. Into same, this also 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Into here is a sin by cos plus cos by sin, LCM. Sin into sin square theta plus cos into cos again cos square theta by cos into sin. Okay, cos theta into sin theta it is. Now next you'll apply the formula. What is that? 1 minus sin square is cos square theta, right? By sin theta as is. 1 minus cos square is sin square theta by cos theta, and sin square plus cos square is 1 by again cos theta into sin theta. And finally, if you simplify, cos square into sin square into 1 is just only cos square theta into sin square theta divided by sin into cos into sin. Everything is multiplied. So sin into sin square, cos into cos is cos square. Okay, cos square theta into sin square theta. Observe this, same we got LHS, numerator and denominator. So if you cancel this, then that is equals to 1. That is the RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. LHS we have taken and got finally the 1. Hence proved. In this question, in an arithmetic progression, the 4th and 6th terms are 8 and 14. We need to find out the first term, common difference, and some of the first 20 terms also. So according to the given, 4th and 6th terms are given. That means A4. 4th term is 8 and 6th term A6 is equals to 14. So 4th term is A plus 3D formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So A4 is, 4th term is A plus 3D. That is equal to 8. And from this 6th term is A plus 5D is equals to 14. So by using these two equations, we can find out the A and D values first. That means first term and common difference we'll get. And equation 1 and 2, if you subtract, minus, 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 change the sign. Plus A minus A get cancelled, 3 minus 5. Minus 2D is equals to 8 minus 14 minus 6. Then D is equals to 3. Because minus minus cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Common difference is 3. Now D value substitute any one of the equation. So from equation 1, A plus 3D, D is equal to 3, that is equal to 8. A plus 9 is equals to 8, then A is equals to minus 1, 8 minus 1. Okay, a is equals to minus 1 you got. Just you can substitute here. D value got 3 directly. Then a value is the minus 1, we can find out here directly. This is the value of a. So once you get a and d, we can find out the sum of the first 20 terms. Simple. So first term is the minus 1 and common difference is the 3. Sum of the first 20 terms. So Sn, the formula. Okay, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So using this S20, sum of the first 20 terms. So 20 by 2 into 2a. A is minus 1 plus n minus 1. N is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19 into d is the 3. We can simplify this to get the answer. 2, 10. So 20, 10 into, in the bracket simplify first. Minus 2 plus, again 19 into 3. 3 7 0. 27, 57 total. And 10 into minus 2 plus 57 is 55. That means 550. Okay, 550 is the sum of first 20 terms.